Hello, dear student. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing great at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, situated at Golapachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we're going to write word meaning and exercises of chapter 3. So, for that, you all take out your notebooks and mention date of today. And first of all, you have to mention the chapter number. Student, you have to write chapter number. So it is chapter number 3. And after that, you have to write the name of chapter. So tell me what's the name of chapter. So we have to write why did Seema fall. Okay. And after that, first of all, you have to write word meaning. So for that, you have to make two column, one for word and another for meaning. So you have to make a two column. So now start the writing of word meaning. So first of all, there is first word is why. So what the spelling of why? WHY. So the meaning of why is for what region? For what region? So you have to write for WHAT what, REASON reason. For what reason? Okay, student. So next is number second, fall. FALL fall. So the meaning of fall is falling down. Okay, so we have to write falling down, FALLING, falling, DOWN, down, falling down. Next, number third is small. So the spelling of small is SMALL, small, and the meaning of small is little, LITTLE, little. Okay, student. So now come to the next, number 4. The next word is number 4, room. ROOM, room, and the meaning of room is a part of house. You have to write a part of house. Okay. In number 5, there is a word curtain. CURTAIN, curtain. So you have to write the meaning of curtain is parda. Okay. Now number 6, there is a word untidy. The spelling of untidy is UNTIDY, untidy. The spelling of untidy is UNTIDY, untidy, and the meaning of untidy is dirty, DIRTY, dirty. So you have to write dirty. Okay. And now come to the next, number 7. Number 7 is trips. So we have to write the spelling of trips, 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 and the meaning of trips is slip, SLIP, slip. Okay. So now next, number 8 is hurt, HURT, hurt. So we have to write injured physically. Okay. Now number 9 is word put. So we have to write keep. The meaning of put is keep. Number 10 is many. The meaning of many is lots. After that, number last one is cry, CRY, cry. So the meaning of cry is weep. Okay. So after completing word meaning, now come to the exercises. So here is the exercise A. In exercise A, you can see there is a circle the correct words. Circle the correct word. So student, you have to circle the correct words. Okay. So in number 1, there is a first, Seema has a big or small room. So we all know that Seema has a small room. So we have to circle the word small. Okay. In number 2, there is a sentence, the bed cover is red or blue. So student, we all know the bed cover is blue. So we have to circle the correct word blue. In number 3, there is a Seema's room is untidy or clean. So the correct answer is untidy. So we have to circle the word untidy. Okay. In number 4, there is one shoes is on the bed or chair. So we all know the correct option is chair. So we have to circle chair. Okay. In number 5, Seema has many few toys. So student, we all know Seema has many toys. So we have to circle the word many. Okay. Now come to the next, number B. In number B, Seema runs into the room. What happens next? Number the sentences. So we have to write number according to the sentences. We have to make a number. What will be happen? Okay, so first of all we have to give number 1, to say trips on her back and fall, and second, she hurts her elbow, third, she start crying. We put the number 1 2 3 like this. Okay, and now after exercise B, come to the next exercise, which is exercise C. In exercise C, you can see there is a answer this question. Okay, we have to write question answer of chapter 3. So there is first question is, which color are the curtains in Seema's room? Student, we have to learn the story, and we all know the bed cover and curtains are blue in Seema's room. So here is the question, which color are the curtains in Seema's room? So we have to write answer, the curtains are blue in Seema's room. Okay, the curtains are blue in Seema's room. Next, number second, where is Seema's school bag? The question is, where is Seema's school bag? So we all know that Seema's school bag is on the floor. So we have to write the answer. Seema's school bag is on the floor. Student, what is the spelling of floor? So FLOOR, floor. Okay. Now, number third. In number third, there is a question, where are Seema's books? Where are Seema's books? So we have to write the answer. Seema's books are lying on the bed. Seema's books are lying on the bed. Okay. Now number 4. Come to the number 4. There is a question, how many toy cars does Seema have? Student, number 4, how many toy cars does Seema have? So we all know that Seema has 4 toy cars, which is on the bed. Okay. So we have to write Seema has 4 toy cars. Okay. Now come to the next, number 5. In number 5, there is a question, where is the teddy? Student, in question number 5, there is a question, where is the teddy? We all know the place of the things in Seema's room. The shoes, the one shoes on the chair, the other shoes is under the bed, and toy train is on the table. We have to write the place of teddy. Where is the teddy in Seema's room? So we all know the teddy is in the bookshelf. So we have to write the answer. The teddy is in the bookshelf. Student, what the spelling of bookshelf? Do you know? Yes, it is BOOK, book, SHELF, self, bookshelf. Okay. So now you all come to the next. There is exercise D. In exercise D, there is a question, write the opposite of these words. Student, we all know the opposite words like day, night, big, small. Okay, here are some words, and we have to write the opposite of given words. So first of all, there is a number 1. There is a first is adverb. Adverb. So what the opposite of adverb? So we all know the opposite of adverb is below. What the spelling of below? BELOW, below. First of all, tell me the spelling of adverb. AVOVE, adverb, and the opposite of adverb is below. BELOW, below. Okay. In number 2, there is word dirty. What the spelling of dirty? DIRTY, dirty, and the meaning of dirty is clean. CLEAN, clean. Okay, student. So now number 3. In number 3, there is a word laugh. LAUGH, laugh. Okay. So student, what the opposite of laugh? So the opposite of laugh is cry. CRY, cry. Okay. And number 4 is over. What the opposite of over? So the opposite of over is under. UNDER, under. Okay, student, I hope you all are understood that how to write these exercises and word meaning in your notebook with a good handwriting. So that's it for today. And now explain the remaining exercises of in my next video. Okay student, so till then take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.